Hello, this is Rachel from kalkinemedia and you're watching kalkinemedia's educational series. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos. The intramuscular route of vaccine administration has been considered the ultimate way of vaccination. Intranasal vaccines come with several advantages, such as ease of self-administration and induction of mucosal and systemic immunity. Unlike the intramuscular route, the intranasal route is an easy and painless way of administering a vaccine. It is an appealing option for people with trypanophobia or fear of needles. Intranasal vaccines can be self-administered at home and may not require any refrigeration, making the transportation and storage of vaccines easier. If annual booster vaccinations are required for emerging coronavirus strains, the intranasal vaccines can be transported easily and will provide quick access to large portions of the population. Now, as the name suggests, intranasal vaccines are different from intramuscular vaccines in the way they are administered and under what settings. Nasal mucus is the human body's first line of defense, and therefore it is highly immuno-efficient. Pathogens have to pass through this mucous wall to enter the body. Some studies suggest that when a small dose of antigen is delivered into the nasal mucosa, it can cause a rapid and potent immune response. This is the reason why scientists are actively engaged in intranasal COVID-19 vaccine development. These vaccines can be delivered as a spray or a drop to help generate antibodies against the coronavirus. Scientists have highlighted that the intranasal vaccine will reduce the virus load in the body, as studies suggest that SARS-CoV-2 first establishes in the nasal cavity before entering into the lungs. Intranasal vaccines are being studied worldwide, with researchers aiming to get the vaccines tested and approved quickly to boost the current situation we find ourselves in. Some of the significant developments include ALTIMMUNE'S AdCOVID intranasal vaccine candidate. This is developing a non-replicating adenoviral vector vaccine named AdCOVID. On the 10th of May, the company announced encouraging findings from a preclinical study in a novel coronavirus challenge model of infection. In this study, a single dose of intranasal vaccine provided sterilizing immunity in the lungs of vaccinated mice. Then on the 26th of May, the company announced that the AdCOVID vaccine candidate neutralizes the rapidly emerging South African coronavirus strain called SARS-CoV-2 B1351. COVI-VAC is a single-dose, live attenuated vaccine between SARS-CoV-2 that it's developed for intranasal administration. Pathogens' synthetic attenuated virus engineering, otherwise known as SAVE platform, was used for the development of COVI-VAC. Currently, the vaccine is in phase 1 clinical trial conducted by US-based Pathogens Inc. and Serum Institute of India. Oxford University and AstraZeneca are investigating the nasal spray form of their ChAdOx1 vaccine. On the 25th of March, Oxford University revealed that the phase 1 clinical trial would enroll approximately 30 healthy individuals aged between 18 to 40 years old. The trial will investigate the immune system responses generated by the intranasal vaccine. Furthermore, safety and adverse reactions will also be investigated. The vaccine will be delivered using an intranasal spray device, similar to how over-the-counter hay fever nasal sprays are given. Vaccine manufacturer BHARAT Biotech is developing an intranasal COVID-19 vaccine named BBV154. This is a novel intranasal adenovirus vector vaccine being developed to combat COVID-19. The company disclosed that its candidate had demonstrated protective efficacy in mice and hamsters. Currently, the vaccine is in phase 1 clinical trial. So what are the advantages of intranasal vaccine? Well, they have better stability. They are stable at room temperature, making them easier to transport and potentially improving access to vaccination in remote or resource-poor areas. Also, the nasal route offers the benefit of easy and simple administration via a spray or drop form. Also, these vaccines improve acceptance, especially among children and the elderly, because of the convenience. The challenges of using intranasal vaccines are the complex geometry of the nose. Despite easy access, the complex geometry of the nose represents an important challenge for the reliable and efficient delivery of vaccines. Also, adequate distribution of administered vaccine to the nasal mucosa is essential for efficacy and safety. An improved delivery system targeting a specific region of the nasal mucosa is required. The vaccine also must be reformulated, and clinical testing is done for the new formulation. Now, if you like this information, please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for notifications for our latest videos. For regular updates and information, log on to our website, kalkinemedia.com. I'm Rachel, signing off for Kalkinemedia.